Here I have HUAWEI P20 Pro, and let me show you how to insert two Nano SIM cards on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Here you need to choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Let's wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and here you need to open the card tray. The tray is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply use some Toggle special eject tool to open this tray. Let's just press it right here. Alright, now you can remove the whole tray from your device, and here you can insert two Nano SIM cards. So let me do it. Let's insert the first Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's insert the second one in the same position, and now you are ready to use your tray. So let's press it and let's place it right here. Sorry, let me repair my tray. Let me do it again. Let's press the whole cards right here and press it to the end. Now let's press power key to check out if both cards works properly. So keep holding power button. The HUAWEI is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, let's unlock the screen. As you can see, dual SIM card settings pops up automatically, and the device is reading our two SIM cards, so everything is alright. You can use your dual SIM card and everything works just fine. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.